Sometimes bigger isn't always better, especially when you're working in tight spots. Thankfully, Superior Tool has you in mind. Meet the multi-use mini hacksaw, your compact solution for precise cuts in tight spaces. This tool is very versatile and easy to use. Equipped with a 6-inch heat-treated high-carbon steel blade for durable, long-lasting performance. The fine 32 teeth per inch blade delivers clean, smooth cuts through a variety of materials such as wood, plaster, aluminum, steel, and brass. Designed with a cushioned handle for comfortable use, even during extended periods of work. This mini hacksaw is great for plumbers, electricians, mechanics, and DIYers who need precision and ease when cutting in small or awkward spaces. With its durable design and versatile cutting ability, it's a must-have for any toolkit.